Hi, it's Adam here from SatNav Systems, and today I want to show you Volkswagen Discover Media PQ system. This system, as you can see, it's got mind on its own, of its own. It's just clicking. You can see the sound, clicking sound, like you're touching the screen, but you're actually not touching the screen. My hands are here, and it's just changing things on the map itself, and doesn't really allow you to do anything. So if I even click navigation button and I try to go to any of the menus, it doesn't allow me to do it. This is one of the behaviors of the system that shows the system obviously is faulty, and I wanted to discuss this because we offer repair of this problem. Problems could be screen issues, navigation issues, system switching off, sound. It could be to do with the sound not playing or cutting out, system starting and shutting down, or doing like this, that the screen is just misbehaving, just doing things on its own. All these things can be fixed. We offer a comprehensive repair on these systems. I'll show you now that on another system that we have on a test bench. So here you can see system being going through diagnostics, and you can see it's misbehaving, and as you look at the screen, it's just moving without anyone touching any buttons or me doing anything. I'm just holding my camera and I'm being away from it like a arm length, and you can see it's doing funny things. The only thing we need you to do is either book yourself in to come over and have the system checked with us in our premises, or better just remove the system, pack it, send it to us for free of charge diagnostics and no obligation repair quotation, and we will provide all the further information, as there's no one fix for this. The problem can be linked to various things in the unit, but we offer comprehensive repair, and you don't have to go with expensive replacement, because replacing these units, usually if you go to a dealership, they will just quote you for replacement. They won't be able to fix it, and it will cost in thousands of pounds. Rather than doing that, get in touch with us, info@satnavsystems.com. Thank you.